Well, it's a nice spring day out. It's about 55 degrees. The snow's pretty well all gone, so loving that. Got my sidekick out here with me. Since it's warming up, it's time to start firing up the fleet members here. Get them up and going, and keep working on them or just enjoy them. I already got the M37 up and going the other day. It's going to need some more TLC, but don't all of them. I just kind of ran out of time with it last fall. It was getting cold and snowy and had other priorities, so I just parked it for the winter. But she's still running great. The rebuilt transmission is working smooth, so that's great. Big accomplishment there. A few things on it. Get some new tires mounted up. I say new, they're just better shaped than these. This side, they were both weather checked, and I had the front one blow out on me, taking it over to show a friend, and I actually had to borrow this M37 wheel from him to get home. And it was a damaged rim. The holes were wallowed out, and it had a big crack in it, like right there. And I repaired it for him, and then I've been running it on this truck just to be able to use it. And I have since gotten some tires from another military collector friend, and I need to get them mounted up and thrown onto this, so because that one's checked really bad. It's probably gonna blow out here soon too, but it's fine. So do that kind of stuff. Got to rebuild the carburetor on it. It'll only run with basically full choke, so you know something's going on there when they do that. So anyways, that's obviously not going to fire up right now. Of course, the blue Ford's out and going. You saw the videos playing in the snow with it. But today I think we're going to fire up the CCKW, since this one's a lot of fun and runs great. Basically has no issues other than little things. Still need to get the welder up and going. That's going to be upcoming on the channel for sure. I'll have to pull the injectors out and get some oil and stuff down the cylinder so it can start soaking. But for now, let's fire up the truck and take it for a cruise. Get the fluids moving again. Got one flat tire here from sitting all winter, but that's to be expected. And that one's pretty checked up too. I might have to throw one on from the pile, but we'll run her till she gives out. But yeah, I got to stand this drum back up too. It's full of antifreeze, and I was robbing from that for projects. So air up that tire, throw a battery in it. Should still have fuel in it. And we'll take her for a cruise. Just check fluids real quick here. Make sure we're still good. Oh yeah. Yep, good old 270s. And then up here, make sure we're still good. Yeah, I see some in there. All right, let's get this tire aired up and we'll be good. Well, I didn't completely get it, but it's enough to get her down to the shop. Get the big air compressor on it. These things are nice though. Sure work when you need them to. Of course, I didn't fill it either. Only put about 50 PSI in it. I think we're ready. We're gonna cheat a little bit. Give her some of the funny juice. Oh yeah, and that air cleaner, that's just for show. It doesn't actually bolt down. So that's cool. I hear no fuel pump. Lovely. There it is. All right. There it goes. Now we're good. go. Got her fired up for the first time this spring. Had some fun driving around, playing around in low range. That's always great. It's amazing how low geared these things are. It's no doubt they did tons of work back in the day. I think these are geared at like 667 or something like that. Crazy low, especially when you put them in low range in first gear. Crazy low. But yeah, she goes down the road pretty quick compared to these other ones, because these run a 5-speed instead of a 4-speed like the Chevys. But yeah, she's a lot of fun to drive, and just some little TLC stuff to do on it this summer. But other than that, this truck is in amazing shape, and I'm glad I was able to find it and rescue it and give it a good home with you know, lots of friends. So it's always lots of fun. Kind of running out of room back here though, but figure it out. Start clearing trees, I suppose. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the little gallivant around the neighborhood here with it. And stay tuned for the upcoming videos. You're going to be excited as to what's coming up here soon. So yeah, ought to be fun. So until the next time, I'll see you later.